morning, Panthers! I'm Maggie.
And I'm Emma.
Today is Thursday, March 30th, and here are your morning announcements. Today is National Doctors' Day. In 1870, the 15th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution is adopted, guarantees right to vote regardless of race.
Students, here is Webb with your Women's History Daily Fact. Today we are recognizing Elizabeth Cady Stanton. Elizabeth was a women's suffrage activist during the 1800s. She helped organize the first Women's Rights Convention in 1848. They mostly agreed that women needed their individual identities apart from the men around them.
The following clubs are meeting today after the 10-minute lunch bell, and you need to finish eating before going to a club meeting. Students, the D&D club is meeting today during lunch in the wrestling room after the 10-minute lunch bell. Please remember, food is not allowed in the gym. Latinx Student Union, LSU, will be meeting in room 301. The art club will be meeting in room 118 or 120. The coding club will be meeting in room 501. The theater club will be meeting in room 701. The tech deck club will be meeting in the gym. The gaming club will be meeting in room 101.
Students, have you submitted your planner design? Today is the final day to turn in your design. Here are the details. It needs to be drawn on an 8.5 inch by 11 inch paper or a 9 inch by 12 inch paper. Designs can be black and white or in color. It is your choice, but we want to see your creativity and talent. Your cover design must say Crittenden Middle School as well as have the 2023 to 2024 school year, and may have our mascot the Panther and any other themed drawings. You are only limited by your imagination. All designs need to be submitted before our open house on March 30th.
Attention current 6th and 7th graders. Applications are now open for Crittenden's 7th and 8th grade College Bound classes. College Bound is an elective class designed to prepare students for success in high school and college. Crittenden's College Bound curriculum focuses on developing the academic and social skills necessary for success in high school and beyond. The College Bound program offers college preparatory activities, skill development, career building, personal mentoring, and tutoring. The class is oriented towards those who will be the first in their family to attend college. If you would like to apply, please complete the application with a parent or guardian. The application is due Tuesday, April 4th, and is linked in your history teacher's Google Classroom. Email Ms. Pearson with any questions.
Come support our school sports for free. Today, we have 6th grade boys basketball at 4 p.m. and 7th grade at 5:05 p.m. in our gym against the Kennedy Cougars. 6th and 7th grade girls soccer kickoff starts at 4 p.m. on our field. Thanks for showing your school spirit by coming out to cheer on our teams.
Hey Panthers! Here's an update on the food standings. In 4th place, we have Miss Vargas' class. In 3rd place is Mr. Quinn's class.
Miss Dillon and Miss Villa's classes are both tied for 2nd place. And in 1st place is Mr. Sundstrom.
Mr. Sundstrom is first, but Miss Dillon and Miss Villa are catching up.
Remember, the winning class gets a prize of a donut party.
Bye, Panthers!
Hello, Panthers! I am here to talk to you about Open House, which is this Thursday, and we're really excited to open up the Crittenden campus. It's been a long time since we got to have parents and everybody come and share all the wonderful stuff that you are doing in class this whole year, and we're excited to have our open house on Thursday night. So open house is this Thursday from 6 to 6:30. That's for incoming 5th grade parents, and our web leaders will be able to show them around the campus. Then 6:30 to 7:30 is for you and your families. Just like we had Family Fun Night, we have another fun event happening. As you can see, there's a couple of little candy items here on the table. Are you ready? We are going to have Cupcake Wars at Open House Night. So I have ordered 1,000 cupcakes, all different colors, all different flavors. Well, it's just actually chocolate and vanilla. But on the top, there's all different color swirls. And then you will be in charge of decorating your cupcake however you would like. After you decorate your cupcake, we'll take pictures of it. We're going to hang them up so you can eat them. Go ahead and eat it after you get your picture taken, and we'll hang them all up, and we'll have a really great, fun cupcake war party. Now, the cupcakes, they stay outside. When you go first, you go visit your classrooms. show any family members or whoever is bringing you here. You can show them all the great work that you've done in your classrooms. Your teachers are working hard to help you have something to show off or that you can tell them about. So now in middle school, it's very exciting because you have so much knowledge, so much vocabulary. Use all of those great terms when describing what you worked on. Use those objectives that you work on. Show them the anchor charts on the walls. They'll be so impressed with all that great knowledge that you have gained this year. Also to mention, so we have cupcake wars going on. We also have an art show going on. That will be in the 2 art rooms. We also have elective sign-up support. So if you haven't done your sign-ups for elective 6th grade and 7th grade only, then there will be some support in the library. So if your parents and you are looking for some support with that, you can go to the library. The teen center is going to be here. Community service agency is going to be there if you'd like to talk to them with your families. PTA, MVFA has been invited. So we're going to have a whole bunch of people here and a whole bunch of excitement. So we hope that you come, show off all of your great learning. This is not the time for a student and parent conference, okay? So that was back in December, I believe, and that's for a real nice one-to-one conversation, but this is going to have a lot of students here, so they don't have time to talk about one-to-one different things going on in the classroom or behavior issues. We don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about the positives of the year and all the great knowledge that you have gained this year. All those vocabulary words, all of those great projects that you've been working on or pieces that you've been working on or problems, everything. So all the teachers will be here. We're excited. We're excited for you to create your cupcakes, have some fun, talk with other friends, talk with other families, and get to have a great community event. So this Thursday, 6:30 to 7:30, we'll see you there.
Students, remind yourself that you are and will always be a valued and cared for member of our Crittenden Catholic community. As a part of our community, our individual actions help others feel valued and cared for, so help make someone's day amazing.
Students, have a wonderful, amazing, productive, fantastic day. And teachers, please submit your attendance now and go Panthers!